Hey everyone, this is our Cougar Growling car horn. This is our button version. It does come with a button that's included. We've got it facing down the horn now, guys. It's a pretty loud horn. Easy to install. Your black wire from your horn will go to a ground right here. So it can go to a battery or wherever you have a ground source. Your red wire go to the 12 volt power source. It could be your battery, it could be a fuse, wherever you have 12 volts. And then the yellow wire from your horn will go to one side of your button. Okay? And then on the other side of the button you run a 12 volt hot wire to the other side of the button. So that's just how it works. It's really easy setup, guys. So this is our Cougar Growling button version car horn.